Welcome back, guys. Amar here. Today I'm here with a new subject or new lesson for you to learn. In this video we're gonna add some more circle scripts and we're gonna add them to our rounds or our circles as we call them. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, we're gonna go to scripts folder, then circle scripts, and create a new C# script that we'll call circle2. Now our circle2 will be familiar or almost same as our circle1. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste it in our start. Then delete the comments and delete the update function because we will have our void rotate circle like this. I mean, something bothers me because I pretty much like for my first letter to be capital and the first letter of another word capital too. So I'm gonna use rotate circle like this. So I think I misspelled here. It's rotate circle. Yep, rotate circle, rotate and rotate circle like this. Now we can move on. So the thing here, we're gonna say that for our circle2, we're just gonna change the time to be just 0.6. Everything else we're gonna leave same as it is. For the rotate circle, we're gonna say tween dot rotate by. We're gonna rotate our base game object. Then I'm gonna say tween dot hash, and we're gonna hash our new object of an array, and inside of that we're gonna move them on the y. So y like this. Then we're gonna have 0.f. Then we're gonna choose the time, which is going to be ball handler dot rotation time. So let me go ahead and add that while I'm here. So it is going to be public static float rotation time, which is by default going to be 3 rotation time. We can move on. We're going to say is type, then tween dot is type dot is in out quad. So out quad. Then I'm going to say loop type, so we're going to loop it, loop type. And we're going to loop type it like a ping pong, so it's going to go back and forth. So tween dot loop type dot ping pong, then with a delay of 0.4. And yeah, that will be it. One thing I forgot, we're not gonna say is in circle, but actually is in out quad like this. And this will be it for our circle2. Now let's go back to here, create another circle, which is gonna be actually our circle3. Then we're gonna have circle4, but let's save up that for later when we actually need it. As for our circle3, we are gonna have the same thing like move to. So copy this, paste it, and now when we move it, everything else will be the same as for our circle2, except here we will have our update, which is actually gonna be transform dot rotate, so not capital T but lower t, transform dot rotate. Come on. And we're gonna rotate our vector. We're gonna rotate, then open parentheses, vector3 dot down dot time dot delta time. Then we're gonna multiply that by our ball handler dot rotation speed plus 12 like this. It's gonna be a bit faster and I think it will go to the vice versa direction, or the opposite direction where this is going to. Yeah, this is going to up, and here we're going to down. So this is going to be in opposite direction and a bit faster. Now moving on, we're going to have our C# script that will be our circle 4. Circle, not new behavior, but C# circle 4, like this. Now I'm going to delete our behavior script because we did not need it. As for our circle 4, I'm just going to paste it. Like this will be in every, I think, circle, maybe not in 5, we will see. Is out in quad, is type 0, everything remains the same. Except here we're going to have our void rotate. So I'm just going to copy just to make things sure, to be sure. And here we're going to say I tween dot rotate by. And then, oh, actually this is going to be same or identical as our circle 2. So let's save up some time by actually copying this. Now here it's not going to be 8 but 75. Then type, rotation type is in quad, loop, ping pong, delay will be 0.5. Simple. And last but not least will be our circle 5. Open it up. And of course I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. I tween move to, copy and paste, delete the comments. Update function is not necessary, but void rotate circle is. And still I'm not sure that I spelled that correctly, and I did not. Then copy the rotate by and add it to our circle 5. So 1 will be here except 0.75. Time, rotation type is in quad, ping pong, and delay will be 1. So delay will be greater than circles before. So yeah, like with these circles we are done. We just have to add them in our resources. So as for our round 1, or round 0 actually, it will be circle 1. As for our round 1, we're actually going to change our script to our circle 5. As for round 2, it's going to be our circle 3. So let me just remove this. As for our round 3, we're going to have, guess what? Circle 4. Circle 4, where is it? It's like this. As for the circle 4 or round 4, we're going to have our circle 4 again. We can just mix it up. I mean, you can put anything you like. I'm just doing this kind of top of my head. As for the round 4, let's say circle 5. As for the round 06, let's leave it at circle 1. Round 6. What could be at round 6? Maybe circle 4. Where is it? Circle 4. As for the round 7, circle 5. And so on and so forth. I'm going to continue to do this. I mean, you can skip this through if you want something else. You don't want my circles. Circle 1. Then, okay, let's just skip this through by saying circle 1. Round 10, let's say circle 2, because I think we haven't added yet. And let's leave this at circle 1. I mean, it's not really necessary to change it. Now, I'm gonna add like from circle 1 to circle 5, so I can show you some differences between them. So not here, maybe somewhere else where we'll not bother our game. So this will be our circle 1, and I'm just gonna tag it by adding 2 mesh colliders. Actually, only 1. Then our circle 2, let me copy this. So right now, I'm just gonna show you differences between the circles. So here we're gonna add 2 mesh colliders. And where is our circle 3? There we go. Past component values. As for the circle 3, I'm gonna add 3 mesh renderers. Then circle 4, and we will have our circle 5. So you'll see that they are kind of the same and not, because you can't add something else. I mean, it can just move up or down, I mean left or right, but it will have some delay between them. Some of them will go faster, some of them will go slower, and that's the point of our game. And let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, add mesh colliders. Now when I start our game, you will see that these, like first and third, will move the same actually, as you can see. Just this is moving to the right, this is moving to the left. Delays on here, you see, this is going a bit faster than these two, and it's delayed more than these two, 2 and 4, I think. Yep, I know how to count. As you can see, it's not much big of a difference between 2, 4, and 5, but you can see that it kinda is, but just not that much. And yeah, with this, we are done with our video, and we can delete this from our from our scene, and we can test when we add that we will have a different kind of, different kind of circles, but you actually can't see because I haven't made the circle. But you can see now it's not only the circle 1, but actually it's stopping. What is this circle? This circle 5. We had circle 3, 2. So it's we have added some variety to it. So it's not actually only circle 1. So yeah, guys, that will be it for this video. I'm Amar, and I will see you guys in the next one.